Hey y'all, in this video I will be doing a review on the much advertised ILMAKIAGE. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's basically that foundation that everybody sees all over their Facebook feeds. First, if you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. I also do luxury. I'll have a link to my second YouTube channel with luxury in the information box or caption. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and staying subscribed to my channel, continuing to watch my videos. So ILMAKIAGE foundation is that foundation we see all over Facebook, as I mentioned, and it's the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. Comes in a package like this. I do believe they have two different variations of this. They have one for like dry skin, dry to normal or something, and then they have one for combination to oily. Of course, I got the one for dry skin. This is the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. And it's for dry skin, basically. And it gives your skin a nice airbrush finish. And y'all know I don't gravitate towards matte foundations anyway. I don't like matte foundations. I hate them because I prefer more of a dewy, natural glow, I guess. I will also be reviewing the ILMAKIAGE Flawless Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer. That comes in a box like this. Let me show you the actual packages, although you will see them in the video. This is the foundation. At first glance, really nice and luxe. I love how sleek the container is. Are you focusing or not? There you go. And in case you're curious, I do have shade number 165. That is my correct color match. I did find out upon application of this. And then for the concealer, y'all know I love a lighter concealer than my foundation. I don't like to match them. And this shade is in 3.5. And here's that package. Also really nice package. There we go. And you can see the color through there. I will admit, when I first saw this color through here, I was like, this is way too light. But then I applied it and I was like, oh my God, it's way too light. And as I started blending it into my skin, well, you'll just see what happened. What I'm gonna do is apply the foundation and concealer and do like a quick little tutorial, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna talk through it or not. I probably won't talk through it. I'll just let you watch the application to see exactly how it goes onto the skin. And then after I do that, I will tell you or give you like the rundown or review, etc. So yeah, keep watching. So I have now completed my makeup application. As you can see, I have lashes on, I have highlighter, bronzer, blush, lip gloss, believe it or not, no lipstick today. Also put on some lashes just to throw the whole face together just because I was feeling myself. And you know, nice. I'm just saying. Okay, I don't even know where to start with this. Okay, so y'all know this foundation is super hyped up about on Facebook. Y'all know the ads. Every day I go on Facebook, they're on there. They're on my feed somewhere. I got really curious. Let me tell you a quick story. It's gonna be quick, okay? I promise. I did the little quiz or whatever. Like you click the Facebook ad and then it gives you a quiz to try to get you the perfect match and asking you about your skin type. I guess I honestly forgot the specifics, but that's basically what they do. And even for the concealer, they ask you, okay, do you like your concealer to match? Oh, stop reflecting in my eyes. Okay, even with the concealer, they ask if you like a direct match or if you like it to be lighter than your foundation, which I thought was pretty cool because oftentimes when you get concealer matches, they assume that you want the same color as your foundation. And I'm not one of those people. I like mine to be lighter because I like more of a highlighted look under here and here. Sometimes there and here and here. So I took the quiz. They emailed me my selections that were perfect for my skin. And I ignored the email, I promise, for months. I was like, I need to use my other foundations. I need to use my other concealers. I do not need any more foundation or concealer. They kept emailing me, kept emailing me, kept emailing me. Like I promise you, they emailed me like 50 times. And I was like, okay, screw it. Let me place this order. And how it works, they charge you like 99 cents or something to your card. You try it for a week, you don't like it, it doesn't match, send it back, they won't charge you. You can either say, I don't want it, or like they'll send you a different color, one that may or may not match you better than the previous. I have heard instances, some of my Facebook friends who could not find a good match, but that was like 2 or 3 people out of like the 30 people that commented. They sent me this foundation concealer. I tried it. They told you put it on as soon as you get it, but I was in my underwear, you know, TMI, but I wasn't doing that day. So I waited till the day after. I tried this. The first time I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh. Number one, it matched perfectly. It blended seamlessly into my skin. Like literally, the name of this foundation is Woke Up Like This. Literally, it looks like skin on your face. I would say it's more of a satin matte finish. It's not fully matte and it's not fully dewy. It's more of a satin matte smooth finish, but oh my god, like first of all, y'all know I have to put concealer in my mouth for my hyperpigmentation. I have darker like veiny things around my mouth. I don't know where it comes from. I think it's hereditary because in my family we have veins that show everywhere. We have spider veins. I don't know if that's what that is, but I have to use normally concealer around here. This foundation on its own covered all of that. Also on its own, I put the foundation under my eyes. I don't know if y'all probably may or may not saw it in the video. Have seen it. Maybe or maybe not have seen it. There. You may or may not have seen it. Seen me put. Oh my god. You may or may not have seen me put the foundation under my eyes. I've been doing that lately for extra coverage because I don't get much sleep. Honestly, I work a lot. I'm a workaholic and I don't get much sleep. I put the foundation around my eyes on top. It covered well enough on its own. With a concealer, like I told y'all in the beginning, this color looked like it would not match because it looked too light. It literally looked like icing. Like icing with a little bit of caramel or chocolate in it or something. The tiniest bit. It was so light. It literally looked like a highlight. Why can't I talk? It literally looked like a highlighter. I put it on. I think I might have put 2 layers on because it wasn't light enough when I put it on. It just blended seamlessly into my skin. If you're one of those people who like lighter concealers and you think this is too light, just trust the process, just blend it out. It's gonna change your mind, more than likely. But it covers really well. Also, I have to tell you, this foundation does not leave like shine on your skin at all. I did say it was like a semi matte. I did not have to set my foundation with any type of powder. Y'all know I normally use the NYX HD finishing powder to set my makeup with, to set my under eye. Second of all, my concealer is not creasing under my eyes at all, and I put 2 layers. It's not creasing without any type of setting powder. That's already a win for me because I don't like unnecessary extra steps, and that eliminates this whole setting powder step. As far as transfer in the mask, like if you wear your mask, like you know, you should and stuff. It doesn't transfer much makeup into the mask like my other foundations that I have. Like, for example, I used NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation most of the time. It's like halfway done. This transfers into my mask. With this one, it doesn't much at all. It's like literally little smears of foundation inside the mask. which really shocked me because I was sweating like I normally do when I'm moving around wearing that in the first place, but that's a whole nother discussion. All in all, I love this foundation. I have super dry skin. I often have dry skin on my face when I do foundation. It's a really great foundation. I love it. No dry patches of skin on my face at all. My face looks flawless. I mean, I'm not trying to like, what do you call it? I'm not trying to like act like, what's the word? I'm not trying to like act bougie on camera and just tell you I know I look good. I mean, I know I look good, but I'm telling you, this foundation is worth every single rave I've seen on their page. Honestly, I might go as far to say it's one of my favorites, if not my favorite foundation. I've tried a lot of foundations. I've tried drugstore foundations, you know, luxury foundations, foundations at Sephora, NARS, Dior, MAC, you name it. I've probably tried it once or twice at least. I'm telling you, this has to be my favorite foundation. Like, I don't know if y'all see this. Like, look at my skin. Y'all probably couldn't see it at first, but now I'm closer. I know I have a good, decent skincare routine to begin with, but I'm telling you, the coverage is amazing. It feels great on the skin. It feels very lightweight. And I will tell you also, I wore it for 2 entire days, yesterday and then the day before. Yesterday I went to the mall. I wore it all day with the mask, okay, because I was in the mall. I did take it off a few times to eat, of course. Also makes no sense to me, but that's not what this is about. It's about the foundation. Quite obvious how I feel about the mask, okay? But we're not here for that. We're here for the foundation. Like I was saying, it lasted throughout all of that. Like, it stayed put. Not much transfer into my mask at all. I know I've said that already, but I just seriously can't believe it because all the other foundations and powders I've tried transfer into the mask. They sweat off. I have to touch up. Although I don't touch up, you know, I would have to because some of it, you know, would disappear or something. It stayed put all day long. And someone commented, I posted about this on my personal Facebook. Don't try to look for me because you can't find my page. I have the public or whatever turned off, so you can't type my name in and find me. So don't try it. I don't accept people I don't know. Oh my God. I posted a post basically saying, I ordered these, I'm gonna try them, I'm gonna do a review on them. Everybody's like, oh my God, I've seen that ad too, I wanna try it. I had other people who've already tried it. They were like, oh my God, it's an awesome foundation. Like, it's really worth it. And then I had, you know, like I mentioned, those 2 or 3 people who couldn't find their match. It's quite possible that everyone's match doesn't exist. I understand that because in certain brands myself, I have trouble finding matches. So that makes a lot of sense. It's just unfortunate because it's such a good foundation and concealer duo. Like, I really love these together. They're perfect. One thing I do want to try is to try this concealer with other foundations, like with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, see how it works out with other things. But I'm sure they're expecting you to wear them together. But realistically, being a beauty blogger, content creator, I'm not gonna just stick with these 2. I love these 2. You know, if I was the average person, I probably would. But I like testing out other stuff too for you guys because y'all like reviews and makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna continue doing that. And I'm also rambling. So I'm gonna cut this video off here. But I just wanna show you my skin again. Like, look. Like, look. Oh my gosh. Like, aside from the highlighter, look under my eyes. Covered really well on my eyes too. Just so impressed. I cannot stop raving about it. And if I didn't mention, I already bought these with my own money, so it's not like I'm trying to make you buy it, but I'm serious. You literally have nothing to lose except 99 cents to start. Just try it out. I think it's 99 cents. Don't quote me. If it's something other than that, I would tell you. I think it's 99 cents though. They charge a card for 99 cents. And then after a week, if you keep it, they will charge your card for the full amount. But they tell you that before you do it. So just make sure you read the details so you're not surprised in a week when a charge comes out of nowhere because you should have read it. So I realized I did not put that eyeshadow on. I've actually filmed this video 2 separate days. Just wanted to really try it out to make sure it worked like I thought it did. And the first part where I actually apply the foundation and concealer on a different day than today, just to tell you. That's why I forgot. That's why you saw me put eyeshadow on in that video and not now, but because I remembered it, we're gonna do it. This is just Nude Peach, as you saw from Bare Minerals. It's one of my favorites. It's so beautiful. It has a nice pop of color in the tear duct. Great for any skin complexion. I put a lot on during that time. I'm just gonna put a small amount now. Just so y'all don't think I'm crazy and y'all don't think y'all are crazy. Because I know y'all saw me put eyeshadow on and then at the end of the video, I had none. This is great too if you want like eyeshadow, but you don't feel like doing all the extra stuff. Now you can see. Okay, it's much better. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications. I'll also have a written post in case you just want to get to the point. You're more of a reader, I don't know, and you just want to read it to see my thoughts. I'll have a blog post down below for you as well, so you can check that out. Giveaways coming soon. I know some of you are looking for those. Yeah. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.